Mobile sterilizer uses array technology to slash through germs. The device will ensure your phone is perfectly clean by eliminating harmful bacteria from its surface, even in places that sanitizing wipes can't reach. It leverages a special frequency of light rays that are guaranteed not to damage your phone. Light is a known and proven technology which has been used by hospitals around the world before. It's widely known to be highly efficient against germs and viruses. Mobile sterilizer can kill up to 99.9% of bacteria in just 5 minutes, meaning you won't need to wait hours for your phone to get clean. It can accommodate phones with up to 6.5-inch screen size. Simply place your cell phone in mobile sterilizer when you come home, and it will be ready to use in a blink of an eye. Plus, not only does mobile sterilizer eliminate harmful germs, it also gives you the opportunity to charge your phone simultaneously. Just open the lid, place your phone inside, plug your USB and let mobile sterilizer do the rest. You'll have a clean and disinfected phone with more battery juice in a matter of minutes. It's a double victory. To get 50% discount, check the link on description.